Okay, this video going to show you how to use select all, unselect all, preview and print button in the location. Hamburger setup location. So if you click the select all, you see it will be select all the records. Same thing happen on the unselect all. Okay, if I want to select only three records, you can click 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now you can have a preview of the sticker. See, 1, 2, 3. Strictly sticker print preview. Okay, you can just click the server print button, or you can click the print button from here directly. If you want to use the select print function, okay, once you click the select print, it will prompt you for the label design. We talk about how to do the label design in another video slide. Okay, that's all for today video.